In this video, we'll show you how to export requests from a lookup in CFlow. Go to the Lookup option in the menu on the left. Select the lookup for which you want to export requests to Excel. Click the configuration icon. Then select Import Export option. Go to the Excel Export tab, enable the Excel Export option, and select the fields you want to export. Then click the Save button. Click the Back button. You will see the Excel export icons on the screen. Click the icon, and the Excel file will be downloaded. You can then open the file to view the requests. We have explored how to export requests from a lookup in Excel. Now, take the next step and automate your business processes today.